Hi everyone, I'm Laura from Killer Beauty and today we'll be reviewing the Vertix Nano cartridges from Dark Lab. These permanent makeup needle cartridges are some of the most advanced on the market, with multiple unique features which make them a firm favourite amongst artists. So let's take a closer look. Created to meet the demands of micropigmentation treatments, the needles within Vertix Nano cartridges are ultra thin. These thinner needles allow artists to implant pigment with maximum accuracy, which is ideal for precise PMU procedures. They are also suitable for a range of treatments from brows to lips to eyeliner, depending on what services you offer. The elongated tip of each cartridge is completely transparent, which not only makes very slight needle adjustments easier to see, but gives a clear view of the pigment flow whilst working. The internal design of the cartridge tip ensures a better pigment flow and tip saturation, so artists don't need to dip their needle into pigment as often. The unique dual side vents on the shell of the cartridge creates a vacuum action to prevent any spraying or leaking and to maintain the accuracy of the pigment placement throughout the treatment. Each needle cartridge comes in individual sterile blister packaging for optimum hygiene, and all needles are fitted with a safety membrane to ensure that no pigment or fluids can leak back into the grip or machine and contaminate or damage your equipment. Vertix Nano needles have been created with quality in mind, with each cartridge containing precisely grouped needles, which are made from high-grade Japanese surgical steel. Each needle goes through a minimum 2-step quality control process to ensure only the best cartridges make their way into your kit. Each Vertix Nano needle has a universal connection, meaning that they are compatible with a huge range of rotary permanent makeup machines, like the Xyon S which we have here, also by Dark Lab. These needle cartridges come in multiple configurations, such as liner, shader, and curved magnum. Multiple styles and diameters are available for each configuration, or you can try a sample box, which contains a variety of cartridges to find out which needles suit you best. If you would like to try the Vertix Nano needles, please check out the link in the description below to order yours from Killer Beauty today. If you already use these cartridges, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our brand new videos and exclusive content available only on the Killer Beauty YouTube channel.